I-industry namhlanje ihlukile ayifani nakudala. Njengoba ngisho ngithi we have learned from the best. Siphusha i-legacy yabo. But today there are some youngsters abangafika nje athi mayifika athi hayi nina ningabantu bakudala niqhuba into zabantu bakudala. Kanti la kwi-film industry akunakuthi abantu bakudala. If experience unayo, you'll die with that experience. So to those who listen, sibanaso ngibanaso nami isikhathi sokuthi ngabafundisa abaningi ukuthi look ku film industry kunje ngoba some bayafika umuntu wakhona enza amafilimu ayi-2 3 bese aba big headed acabanga ukuthi she or he has arrived, and la kule industry you don't arrive. Uqhuba ngayo as much as mina kwi-age yami namhlanje I'm still learning. I can still learn from the youngsters, but I'm still learning with film industry ukuthi i-acting ikanjani. Nale experience engiqhamuka nayo le, mix it with the experience yanamhlanje, ungathola ukuthi you are becoming a better person. Now nokufundisa the youngsters ukuthi la kwi-industry, first uziphatha kanjani, second how do you i-character yakho uyiphatha kanjani, uyiqhuba kanjani, wenza kanjani. Ngoba some people balahlekelwa nje endleleni, ubona umuntu umbone emafilimini ayi-2 3 ukusuka lapha usamboni, uyabo, ngoba uyalahlekelwa. Enye into futhi respect. You must always respect. Into esiyifunde kubo laba bantu oSimon Sabela, to respect one another so that you can respect your craft as well.